I'm Adam Price and I'm the new leader of Plaid Cymru, and we're trying to change the face of Welsh politics, but not just politics. We're trying to change the future of our country. We've seen over so many years now our country going backwards in terms of our economy, our public services standing still, and people have lost faith in the ability of politics to change things. We've got to rekindle that faith. We can create a different, better future for our country, but we need you to be part of that. Already, we've had the biggest surge in membership in Plaid Cymru's history, but we need more if we're going to create this new country together. Yes, Wales can be prosperous. It can be a fair country. It can be independent and successful, but we need you to join us to make that happen.